Debunking the myth, idiomatic expressions versus slang. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our advanced vocabulary series. In today's video, we're going to dig into an interesting topic: understanding that idiomatic expressions are not always slang. This is a common misconception that we will clear up for you, helping you to use idiomatic expressions more accurately and confidently. Let's start from the basics. Idiomatic expressions are phrases where the words together have a different meaning than the individual words might suggest. For example, kick the bucket doesn't involve kicking or buckets. It's an idiomatic expression that means to die. Idioms enrich the language, add color to our speech, and are an essential part of becoming fluent in English. Now, let's explore the difference between idiomatic expressions and slang. Slang is informal language, often specific to a particular group, culture, or era. While idiomatic expressions can sometimes be slang, not all idiomatic expressions are slang. For instance, spill the beans, an idiom meaning to reveal a secret, is understood universally among English speakers and isn't associated with any particular group. In contrast, slang like lit, meaning exciting or excellent, originated in specific cultural contexts and may not be understood by all English speakers. So why the confusion between idioms and slang? A key reason is that both idiomatic expressions and slang are informal language tools that add nuance and cultural context to our communication. They both can be hard to understand for English learners since they often don't align with traditional or literal meanings of words. The key to overcoming this misconception is understanding the context in which these phrases are used. Pay attention to who is using the phrases, where, and when. Over time, as you continue to immerse yourself in the language, you'll get better at distinguishing idioms from slang. And there we have it. Idiomatic expressions are not always slang, a crucial distinction that will help you better understand and use English in various contexts. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and given you a fresh perspective on the fascinating world of English idioms. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, learning English is a journey, and every step brings you closer to fluency.